What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by MOOSOO, and we're taking a look at their really awesome journey that began from 2013 all the way to now. That's right, they've been making vacuums and other cool products for 7+ years, and they have been able to make this really awesome vacuum known as the MOOSOO K23. This is a full-on cordless vacuum that allows you to replace any weird robot vacuums or long-cabled corded vacuums you have, and make your life just a tad bit easier because this thing has a lot of suction and yet has the ability to maneuver itself into anything you need. The problem with robot vacuums is, while they might seem like they don't require a lot of effort, they require a lot of unnecessary attention. You need to empty them out every other, like 2 days. You have to clean them, the filters get clogged, this happens, they get stuck, they get lost, yada yada yada. And the problem with wired vacuums is they're just so heavy. Although they might have a little bit more suction, in the end they can't maneuver under things, into your car, onto your cabinet, whatever. But this is where this particular awesome vacuum comes in. It has 3 power modes built in. Basically, you get first power mode, which is 9 kPa of suction to deal with hair and garbage. There's 13 kPa of suction after that to deal with like biscuits, food, and crumbs and all that. And then last but not least, there's that really high powered mode, which is 23 kPa of suction to deal with any things that are stuck in your carpet and deep garbage overall. It also has 5 stages of high-efficiency filtration, which can capture 99.99% of microscopic dust. You also get over 35 minutes of work time, so you're able to clean an entire room easily, and maybe even the entire house or apartment, depending on the size of your house. And of course, the really cool thing is it only takes around 4 to 5 hours to charge, so you're good to go by the next day when you need to clean up your traditional mess, which is really cool. You also do have an electric turbine brush with an independent motor that basically increases the suction by, cleaning by around 60%, which is really awesome. And last but not least, my favorite thing about this thing is all the interesting filters. You get a HEPA filter, a honeycomb filter, a screen filter, a cyclone filter, and an outlet filter, all to make sure that every single bit of dust is captured and placed inside of here for you to empty out into your trash can, which is really awesome. The battery size itself is 2000 milliamps, so once again you get 35 to 40 minutes of charging, which is really awesome. And of course, this thing has that really cool independent turbine motor built into the bottom section, so of course that can capture all those weird things like rice and maybe pieces of paper and glitter and all that. My other cool thing about this is that it isn't too loud. It runs at around 82 decibels, and if you guys look up the average decibel of a vacuum, let me tell you, this thing runs pretty quiet, which is really awesome. Something that I haven't seen in some other vacuums is that are similar to this is LED lights. You're able to light your way, so this thing has built-in really nice LED lights so you can see where you're cleaning. And of course, once you're done cleaning, this has a wall mount so you can dock the cleaning stuff along with the vacuum itself, and you're good to go. Last but not least, this thing's dustbin is pretty massive. You only need to clean it every once in a while, and of course wash the filters every once in a while. Everything is fully washable, which is really awesome. So guys, go ahead and check out the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.